when the Prophet of Allah did not ask for details, and this is khalas, general rule. So the wife, the woman, she may not travel without a mahram, even to Hajj. Even to Hajj. Even if she to Hajj, she has got no mahram. Because if she hasn't got a mahram, then the Hajj becomes not compulsory upon her. Hajj becomes compulsory upon the person for the male, with less one condition on the female. The male, he has to be a person who is, first of all, aql, sane. Number two, Muslim. Has to be Muslim. So Muslim, aql, sane. Okay, adult. If he's not an adult, it's not compulsory to make him Hajj. Adult. He's an adult. Also, on top of that, that he has the means. He has the means. He have surplus money to do that. It's not poor. He's able to do that. Or somebody had given him the money, no problem. So he's got the means. Zadu al-rahila. And also he is having free from anything that would, take him or stop him from doing so. Like for example, ill, his broken leg, or the route is not safe. They said there is, some sort of bombardment of that area. I can't go across the area. It'll be not safe. So if you're free from that, then it becomes compulsory. But for the women, we add another condition. And that is, what? Mahram. Another condition that she has to have a mahram. She hasn't got a mahram, it's not compulsory upon her. So she will be sinning if she's gone there. She wants to take, we're not going to say her Hajj is invalid if she traveled without a mahram. We can't invalidate the Hajj. We don't have the power for that. But we will say that she's a sinner. Because لا تؤمنوا من كانت تؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر لا تسافروا مسيرة يوم وليلة أو مسيرة بريد من غير ذي محرم. She can't make a traveling journey without a mahram. And as I said, this is the strongest opinion, and this is the opinion of the majority of the scholars. طيب, now, after we have said, well, alhamdulillah, what we have said, we say that this nahi, prohibition, is according to what we see, it is the outcome of those ahadith, the woman, she's not allowed to travel without a mahram. Also, that those people who are making the following bid'ah, and I've seen it when I was at my time, al-mu'akha, that this woman, she's traveling, so she will go with a person who's a man, and they make some sort of brotherhood. You are my sister, and she would say, you are my brother, just for the traveling. This is, we used to do it. I know it. My time used to do it. Akhitu, khalas, he's my brother now. Why, my brother, why? He's going to be, you could take off your hijab on him in front of him and all of that. Subhanallah. This is how the shaitan, they do these things for them. This is called bid'ah, ya ikhwani. طيب, also the second hadith, we have just know as well that the woman, she regardless of she got a money and all of that, Hajj will not be compulsory upon her unless she has a mahram. طيب. Now we come into the chapter Al-Fadail. Kitab Al-Fadail.
Chapter 180.